August and September is a time where everybody now is going and joining their colleges. And I'm doing a lot of consulting on, the packing. So let's talk today about the packing essential for study abroad. Now, when you're going for your study abroad, the concept is that you're making a home away from home. Seems a big task? No, relax. So we will talk of basic essentials. What are the basic essentials? First is the important documents. You need to carry your passport, visa, academic records, and cash. Second, weather appropriate clothing. So depending on the country you're going, whether how warm, cold. In electronics, basics are laptop, mobile, charger, and adapter. Now take some comfort items also, like your Indian spices, some favorite book, one or two which you can read. Then basic medicine and prescriptions. Now the detailed list is much bigger, which you can talk and consult us. But the other important aspects I like to take here is what not to carry. First, lot of food and snacks. Take small, the rest you to take locally. Heavy liquids, books, take a couple of them, not so many books. Bedding items, buy locally. Lot of electronics, except what I told you, don't take major items. And no valuable and luxury items. So our mantra here is pack light, pack right. All the best.